welcome to Neetu's Veg Kitchen. Today's recipe Aloo chana curry. Very mild and tasty recipe. You can serve with puri, chapati also, and you can serve with jeera rice. Let's get started. In a jar, add fresh green chili as per your spice, ginger and garlic and fresh coriander half bunch. Grind it fine paste. In a same jar, add fresh coconut and soaked cashews 10 to 12. Grind it fine paste. In a kadai, add 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. Add mustard seeds and jeera and 1 tablespoon chana dal and curry leaves. Finely chopped onions 3 to 4. Fry it. Add green chili paste. Cook on low to medium heat. Add turmeric powder and finely chopped tomatoes. Cook it until tomato mushy. Add salt as per your taste. Add boiled chana. I soaked chana overnight and boiled 3 to 4 whistles. And add potatoes boiled and cut into small pieces. Add it. Cook it on medium heat. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add besan and water and make a thick slurry. Add it to the gravy. This paste will get nutty taste and thickens your gravy. Add water as per your gravy consistency. And then add coconut and cashew paste. Cook on low to medium heat. After boils the curry, add garam masala and kasuri methi. Mix it and finely chopped fresh coriander. You can serve with soft puri or chapati also. This is very mild and tasty curry. Kids will also enjoy this recipe. I am serving here puri, chana, aloo curry and coconut chutney. Sunday special, very delicious. Let's try it once.